What is up, everyone? Welcome back, and thank you for subscribing to Not Your Father's Capital. And in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Shiba Inu, and we're going to tell you guys where Shiba Inu is going to be headed as we close out December and enter 2023. We have a lot of big news coming along with the Shibarium release that is going to be set forth in 2023. I'm going to get into my thoughts about what that is going to do to the price, and then we're going to talk a little bit about what this algorithmic price prediction is seeing for the end of 2022 as it relates to Shiba Inu. So hit that subscribe button if you have not done so, like this video, and drop your comments down below. We cover Shiba Inu on the daily as well as your favorite other cryptocurrencies. So let's get down into the news as we look at a machine learning algorithm setting a SHIB price prediction for the end of December, all right? So we all follow Shiba Inu and their chart on the daily, right? So we see right now we have been hovering at that 401 level, all right? And we have given back that one quite often. And at the time of this video, we are in the 509 levels, okay? Pushing back into the 401 level, all right? So as it relates to Shiba Inu, they are basically, as well as all other cryptos, in a holding pattern as we await more positive sentiment come about from these macroeconomic factors at play. All right, everybody's familiar with the FTX collapse, and we basically had the trifecta as it relates to the worst possible news you can have as a cryptocurrency investor, just one after another, okay? So we're waiting clarity on that. We're waiting for the markets just to clear up. And quite frankly, as investors and as forecasters as it relates to crypto and all other assets, if you will, you really can't go much lower than this other than the government basically saying there is no more crypto. All right. So when we talk about Shiba Inu, you know, we are all familiar on how much of a run it went on in the bull run in 2021. Okay. So right now we are just basically about building momentum. All right. So Shiba Inu and Shibarium that is going to be finally released in 2023 is basically, in my opinion, strategically held back, not so much because of capabilities. However, I really think that they just don't want to blow all that momentum in a climate where it will not be successful and have the impact on the coin and the price action as they want it to for how large of a scale it is, okay? So they always tease it, right? So this teasing of the news is basically what they look at, whether you call it market manipulation or what have you. The developers at Shiba Inu, I think they're just very strategically getting ready to release Shibarium when they get more positive sentiment, as I noted, from these macroeconomic factors at play, okay? So we're talking about this price prediction from an algorithmic machine learning based price prediction, okay? And they basically are saying that December 31st, they look to see Shiba Inu get back into the 4010 level at December on New Year's Eve, okay? So that's a 10% uptick from the time we were at right now. So as it relates to altcoins, I talk about it very frequently that, you know, a lot of people have that when Lambo mentality where they're just going to hold, right? They're just going to be holders or hodlers, what have you, of these cryptos. And they think that if they can just buy something with a whole bunch of zeros, in 10 years from now, they're going to be billionaires. Okay, that is not realistic. So as investors, we have to be more cognizant of how crypto is trading and trending, right? So swing trading is very important. So if you can get onto a 10% swing in just a month time, that is a very important tool as in your wallet as you look to invest in and develop your wallet into more and more crypto, right? So hitting back into the 401 level is kind of looked at as a loss or a negative because it's just not where Shiba Inu was a year ago. Yeah, but it's a 10% gain back to where you were possibly. And if you do that over and over and over again, and you get a little bit of accumulation in your wallets, it could provide for a very positive outlook when we talk about your bags, okay? So how we look at Shiba Inu, though, getting back into that 401 level would not be something completely bullish. However, a lot of the indicators, a lot of the predictors, CoinMarketCap, for example, the sentiment is very negative, right? So we are in this horrible time to trade cryptos. But that is just basically, there's ways to make money off of crypto, as we all know, without having to hold for the long term, right? So that is something that as investors that you have to keep in your pocket. You have to be ready and knowledgeable on how to do that. And you cannot wait because these opportunities just pass. All right. So not financial advice, just passing along something that I use as a tool, especially in a bear market to navigate through these waters as it relates to trading cryptos on the regular. So please do your own research when it comes to everything financial, including Shiba Inu. These are just basically my predictions, my personal thoughts on SHIB. So as we look at the price analysis, I could see Shiba Inu getting back into the 4011 level as we enter the new year and possibly get some more relative announcement. Okay, as you can see from this Shibarium that is going to come out, and we are going to get a pump from that. All right, and that's another thing when we talk about the swings, right? If we get that pump from the Shibarium news, it's going to be short-lived. Okay, the market conditions are not going to allow for a bull run in a altcoin, if you will, for that very specific announcement. All right, it's going to pump and it's going to sell off, and then we're going to be right back to where we were before, if not a month before, for all of the price action that has not already been baked in the Shiba Inu. So that's where I'm at on SHIB. We'll take a quick look at the chart just to show you guys at the time of the video, 2.5% down on the day, 509112 level. Okay, so very stagnant across the board with all cryptos with volume. All right, so 12% down on volume. We're basically getting a lot of stuff related to the end of the year with taxes and all of that stuff. When we look into the holiday season, there's a lot of other things at bay, especially as we wait more inflationary data in December as it relates to the Fed. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.